Our first hack for you guys is how to build a speaker. So all you need are 2 red cups and a paper towel roll. First, draw a line in the middle of your paper towel roll the same length as your phone. Make sure to make it a little longer just in case, and a little wider. Don't cut your fingers! Now you can trace a circle around the paper towel roll, just like this. Draw it on the 2 cups, and then you can cut them out. It really doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure it's the good size so that everything fits together. Now insert the paper towel roll into the 2 cups and turn them on the side like this. Now you can insert your phone and you have a brand new speaker. For this hack, all you need is a cord and an ugly bowl. If possible, use a glass bowl so that you don't melt your bowl if it's plastic. Now you can roll up the cord the shape of the bowl to create a brand new one. Think of all the things you can insert in that bowl afterwards. It's so easy. All you need to do is connect the cords with hot glue. Make sure not to burn your fingers. Look, now it's the same shape as your bowl and you can now use it by itself. I use mine to put fruits in it. Voila! Have you ever wanted to make your own projector? I know I have. And it's so easy. All you need is a shoebox and a magnifying glass. So once you have your magnifying glass, you can trace a circle around it. And make sure to cut it a little smaller so that you're sure that everything fits. You can see that we cut in the circle to make sure that we had space for hot glue. When you stick it, make sure to press on it a couple of minutes just to make sure it's really solid. Now all you need to do is create your own phone stand and you can close the box. Now it's ready to be used. Enjoy your movie! Now we're gonna make a picture holder. All you need to do is to stick the wooden pins upside down like this. Just wait a couple of seconds to make sure it's really solid, and then you can stick it onto the glass bowl. Actually, you can stick it wherever you want. Now you can stick your Polaroid picture on it. How cute! There's even space if you want to stick multiple pictures. For this hack, we're gonna make a heat trivet. So all you need to do is disassemble approximately 24 wooden pins and then stick them back to back. You don't need the metal part, you can just throw them out. or keep them for another hack. You never know if you're gonna need them. They're really easy to disassemble. See, you don't need to use a lot of glue. Just a little will make the trick. You gotta be patient for this one. Put some music on, you'll be fine. Now that they're all disassembled, you can stick them side by side like so. Make sure you press on it to make sure it's really solid. Last one. There you go, wait a couple of minutes, and it's ready to be used. With just 2 empty bottles, we're gonna make a gift box. All you need to do is cut half of the bottle, like this. Make sure not to cut yourself, it's so easy. Cut a straight line all around the bottle. And to make it easier, you can just use scissors. And then cut the top of the bottle like this. Do the same thing on the other bottle. It's way easier the second time. Now that you have your 2 pieces, fold them in half on each side to make a cube. Make sure to put a lot of pressure on it. Now you can take your gift, watch, or jewelry, put it in the box, and then close it up like so. So easy and so practical. And then wrap it up however you want. Ta-da! Isn't it cute? Do you have an empty frame that you don't know what to do with? Well, I have a little idea for you. All you need are a couple of feathers and gold spray paint. Spray it on each feather, like so, and let it dry before you do the other side. By the way, I use gold paint, but you can use whatever color you want. Why not mix them up? Your feathers might look a little roughed up, but it's fine. Now that you've done the other side, let it dry and stick it on the paper. That could be a great gift for a friend or a family member. By the way, this is art, so it doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. Now you have a brand new decoration. Do you have time on your hands and you wanted to do a fishbowl? Well, this one is for you. All you need is a glass container and a bag of rocks. Now I put too much, so try to put 1/4 of rocks in the bowl. Now you can add decorations. I chose mine at dollar store. You can choose different kinds of plants. just to make it a little more exciting. Now stick the fishes onto the lid. Make sure the cord is not too long so that your fish doesn't hit the bottom. Try not to make my mistakes. You can choose the number of fish you want to put in the bowl. I chose 2. Once you added the water, you can close the lid with the fishes. Now you have a homemade fish bowl. This one is one of my favorites. We're gonna make a brush holder. All you need is beads, a glass bowl, and your makeup brush. Now put about 2 bags of beads just to fill up the whole bowl. You can choose whatever color you want. Now just add the brushes. It's so easy and so practical. It holds so well. Hey Crafty hackers, you want to see more crafty hacks? Well, just click here to subscribe.